Alright, welcome back to Rocky Mountain Prepper. I'm Bellum. And now we must discuss light. Yes, we can all buy candles now. We all have electricity. Well, most of us anyway. But what happens when all that runs out? You can't make candles unless you have wax. Or can you? You actually can. Unless you have bees yourself, or know someone that would be willing to trade for some of the wax, you're SOL. I have a little bit of tallow in here, and I am going to quickly make a very crude, primitive wick. So, first thing, I'm just going to be using butcher's twine. Most of us have it. It comes in balls like this. You always want to weight it a little bit to keep it straight in the wax or tallow, because that's what we're using today. I'm going to be making tallow candles, or at least one, to show you what it's like. See? Then you just drop it in, give yourself plenty of room to tie with. Cut it off. You don't want it sitting directly on the bottom, you want it up just a hair. And I'm going to be using this old plastic container in order to hold it. I'm using that as a mold. And this will just drop down in there. Doesn't have to be centered yet, because we are going to now dip our soon-to-be wick and then we will just let it sit in here, cool for a bit, and as it cools and hardens, it will allow us, it'll allow it to sit straight, and it'll be strong. Alright, I'll come back as soon, I'll bring you back as soon as that is ready. Alright, as you can see, it's hardened quite a bit. See? Because of the heat inside the house and outside, it's not going to get rock hard just yet. Alright, and over here on the stove, I have added quite a bit more tallow, and we are going to, I've allowed it to cool slightly, and I'm going to pour it in. I am not planning on going all the way to the top, because I don't want a candle quite that large. At least not today. Okay. You can see how full it is. I'll let it cool, and then I will show you extracting it. See you in a bit. Alright. It's sat for quite a few hours now. About 4 or 5 hours. So you want to put pressure all around just to get it to release, and then steady, even pressure will pull it out. Now we just simply trim the wick. And get it burning. And you have a candle. It may drip, but it'll also provide good amount of light for quite a while. Thank you for watching. As usual, like, share, subscribe. Good luck and God bless.